So I got my first public service announcement for 2020 for C5 Corvettes. I'll say this is somewhat common knowledge in the Corvette world, but I just wanted to reiterate that, as you can see, this is some real minor damage of what happens when you run a conventional wet lead acid battery, especially in C5s, because the battery is directly above the PCM. I have the PCM bracket and everything removed. I'm in the process of updating or upgrading this car to a 411 PCM, so that's why this is all taken apart. But I've heard of stories where it can get bad enough that it actually corrodes the PCM connectors to the point of getting failures and the car will even stop running. So something to consider. You may want to make the switch to a AGM battery if you haven't done so already. You can see this car has 32,000 miles on it is all, and it's a 1997. But you can see the crust starting to build up on the case of the original PCM. So I think to clean this up, I'll probably just Scotch-Brite it, clean it up with some acetone, and it's just super light surface rust. There's nothing of concern here. I have some PR15. I might brush that on there, and then after that we'll get to putting the PCM back together.